Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error, Windows error. The application was unable to start correctly, so let's get started. I have several solutions how you can fix it. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to Start, and we're gonna type Control Panel. And we're gonna launch this control panel here. And now from here, we're gonna change from category to large icons. And then we're gonna go to region, this one. And after that, we go to administrative and go to change system locale. And from here, choose the right location. And after you've done that, click OK. Click OK here and close this. So if this method didn't solve your problem, I have another one, which is with CMD. So again, we go to Start. And we're gonna type CMD, and click on Command Prompt, this one. And now here we need to type some commands. So these commands will be in the description of the video. So this is the first command, so I'll make a space here. So they are separate. This is the first one. So I'm gonna copy it. And I'm gonna paste in CMD. And press on Enter. And then we copy the second one, the second command, which is this one. And then we're gonna copy the second command. And Ctrl+C. Then we go to CMD here, go back, and we press again Ctrl+V. As you can see, they are not the same. And press an Enter. And after you've done that, you just restart your PC and see if this fixed your problem. If this still didn't fix the problem, I will see to make another video if I found more solutions for this, but for now these are the two solutions that I found. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, and see you in the next video. Bye.